Welcome to Folded Creased and Crumple. I'm Tina.
And I'm Anna.
For those new to our channel, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on all your post notifications. I have a fun episode for you. I don't know if anyone has seen this, but it was on my Instagram, ad thing. And I saw this and I thought, this looks fun. It's a Create a Sticker Mini. So it's this contraption here. And it's supposed to be something that you don't have to worry about plugging it in. You don't have to buy batteries for it. You just pretty much like insert, turn, and then the sticker comes out the other side. You can stick on anything. It's great for scrapbooking, journaling. You gonna say more? Pardon, Anna?
The possibilities are endless.
Right? I'm super excited about this. I borrowed from my nieces this cutout construction paper thingy that I bought them for, when they come to my place to visit and they want to do some arts and crafts. So I'm going to take the star. I'll take something small. So I'll take the star cutout. It's all perforated. Guys, if you want something fun for your kids, this is it. This is something like, I know some kids like to draw their own and cut their own and whatever, but this is good for kids like if you don't want them to use scissors. It's already perforated. So all they have to do is just really pull the pieces out and then they can stick it to whatever they want. Or, they can use it to draw. It's great. Honestly, I love it.
Do you have a brand for that, Tina?
It's actually by Crayola. That's it. It's just a Crayola construction cutout. That's all it's called. It's really cool. It comes in different colors. So it'll have about, let's say 20 sheets of purple, 20 sheets of yellow. It's really good and it's fun. And I think kids really like that stuff. So I thought I, purchase it for that reason. And now another reason to use it is the sticker machine. So Create a Sticker Mini. So apparently the instructions tell me, says place item on feed tray. Gently guide item forward while turning handle clockwise. Tear paper backing by lifting up and across the tear bar. Burnish on and around item. Peel sticker from paper backing and apply.
I think it's supposed to be tear bar.
Tear bar. What is that?
Yeah. Like to rip it apart.
Okay. So I'm going to see if you can see here. I'm putting the star through here. There we go. That's the best I could do. Okay, clockwise, so it's this way. So I'm turning clockwise right now. Okay, so where's the tear bar? It's, okay. So it comes out like this. So let me show you. Okay. And so what's going to happen is when it does that, it's on the sticker sheet. So I think you peel it like it's a sticker, right? So I'm going to peel it. Whew. It's a sticker. Okay.
Bizarre. Look at that.
I'm going to put it on black construction paper that I had from another episode. Oh my gosh. So I stuck it on. It's a sticker. Guys, it's a sticker. Look at this. It's a sticker.
I think that's an excellent find, and your nieces are going to have so much fun with that.
Like, you could peel it off. Like, this is amazing. This is great for scrapbooking. I love scrapbooking, so I'll have to revisit my scrapbook and use this. Yeah. So simple. It was so simple. Like, I can't make this stuff up. It's actually like the easiest thing to do. let's just...
Can
So,
we see one more?
yeah, I was just gonna say, Anna. I'm gonna do one more. Okay, let's see how. I'm just gonna try to put this up. Okay. So I put the circle, so I did a yellow circle die. There's no stickiness to it. I just want to show, like, nothing. And, it falls down. Like, there's no sticker on this, okay? I feel like a magician right now. See? No? So now, I put the circle that I want, and then I just kind of slide it in there until it hits the edge where you can't go anymore, and you'll feel that. And then, it says turn it clockwise, so you turn it like this. Actually, that was awkward. So I'll just turn it this way, okay? So you just turn it this way. I'm gonna show you the back. So you'll see the sticker paper, and then it comes out. Okay, so it's out, it's not falling off, nothing. And then this is what you rip. This is a little awkward to do it, but, so that's the tear bar right here. So then you just tear that, move the sticker machine aside, and look, it's like a sticker. And then I'm gonna try to do a close-up of the sticker coming out. Okay, I caught that, thank goodness. So then you can see the backing of it also has a lot, like has the sticker, like has a sticker film. Look at this.
You can definitely see the film. It's very obvious.
Yeah. So then this is just, you can throw this out. This is just regular sticker paper. And then just stick it on.
So could you potentially do a much larger sticker as long as it fits the width of the sticker machine?
Yeah, I think so. I think in the instruction video that I saw on Instagram, she had a bigger cutout. But yeah, it should fit in there. So to open it, you just press this white, like see this here, this white part. You just press it in and pull up. And then you can see it's 3 meters of this film here, and also this.
Wait, 3 meters or the brand 3M?
No, it's 3 meters. The brand is called Xyron, Xyron. It's called Create a Sticker Mini.
Oh, the length is 3 meters. I was thinking like social distancing, like 2 meters or 6 feet, and like how can you have a sticker that large, but it's the roll of tape that is 3 meters?
Yes.
Okay, that makes sense.
If you don't know what 3 meters is, it's 10 feet. That's what it says here. I'm not very good with that calculation, so do not take my word for it, but that's what it says, 10 feet, 3 meters.
That's a lot of stickering.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, this is the best thing. So this cost me $20.
And how much are the refills?
The refills, I think, were only like $10 or something. Like it's not expensive for like a whole day of fun of creating your own stickers for kids, especially. It's worth every penny, in my honest opinion, especially how easy it was. It was super easy to just, honestly, you saw what I did. You know, I just pretty much took the cutout, I slipped it in as far as it will go, and then I turned the wheel clockwise, and it came out the other side like nothing. You know, it was a very easy thing to do. It's not difficult, and I feel like anybody can do it. And it's a good toy, it's good, you know, journaling thing, it's a good everything. So I highly recommend this. I actually really like it. So I'm excited for my nieces to try this too. I think they'll have a kick out of it as well. So girls, if you're watching this, can't wait to sticker with you. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for joining us for this fun episode. I am so excited. Anna, I cannot wait till these restrictions are lifted because there's so many things that I have that I want us to like do together to try out. Like, I wish you were here for this. I think you would have had a blast.
I miss you so much. And
Me too.
I want to play with that sticker machine so bad.
I know, right? It's almost like a tease.
Really cool products.
Yeah, so I can't wait. I just can't wait till you, till we see each other again because it will be a blast. Anyway, I hope I'm not missing anything else. Anna, the usual. Am I missing anything?
No, I think you got everything. Thanks again for filming and doing this all on your own. And everybody stay safe.
Like she said, peace.